Alright, what you got going on here?
This is the meat from the bull that we killed for Mara's quinceañera.
Sheesh.
I am seasoning it so that we can cook it up and meal prep it. About 25 pounds of meat.
You already weighed it? So we brought this meat from Florida, guys. So we're about to cook it up. My wife's seasoning it up.
It's going to be good. I can't wait.
What seasoning salt are you using?
I am using steak seasoning, Fiesta brand, and I am also using seasoned meat tenderizer.
Got some fat there. So let's go check out the pit. Let's see. Here's my pot. I got some manteca in there and some canola oil. Getting it heated up. Here on this pit. Here we go.
How much did this bull weigh? Like 1,200 pounds?
Yeah, about that.
He's a huge guy.
We definitely got it on video, guys, but we didn't post it because, you know, it was pretty graphic.
It was.
But we do got the footage.
But it was for a purpose.
That's right.
It wasn't for nothing.
And this is the purpose right now. We had it for the quinceañera, and now we're still about to enjoy this guy. We had him frozen because we had, there was a lot of meat.
Yeah, it was.
So they pretty much just chopped all the cow up in those pieces right there into little chunks, ribs, everything. So inside of that pot that I just showed y'all, outside, it's gonna have just all different kinds of cuts of meat. And my wife is just gonna season it up. We're gonna cook it and then we're gonna meal prep it.
We'll measure it out. I'll probably bag it into portions. That way we can just pull it out and eat it.
Once we cook it too, though, we can freeze it.
True.
If we need to. But since it's thawed out, guys, you gotta cook it.
Okay. I think it's ready.
Careful. Look at that, guys.
The bone marrow, that right there is going to make it taste so good.
Again, guys, we killed this bull in Florida, in Crescent City. Me and my wife got our hands dirty. We helped chop him up, gut the cow from start to finish.
Yep. It was a very enjoyable experience.
And this was our first bull, but we've done pigs, we've done deer, chickens.
Deer. Oh, the warthogs?
Yep. This was our first bull.
I'll just let that sit for a while.
Did you throw that fat in there?
Yes. I'll let that sit and then we'll mix it.
Alright guys, a little update. Little stir action.
Oh my gosh, looks good.
Pick up a piece. Let's see what it looks like right now. Still cooking though. Nice.
Low and slow.
That's right.
That's gonna be
Good job. All right, guys. A little update. It's a little later, so it's dark already. Let me pull one out real quick for y'all. Kind of hard to hold the light and show y'all the meat at the same time, but man, hold up. So it's looking like I'm gonna get it out of here, take this pot inside. All right, here it is inside. Look at all that goodness, guys. Oh my. The protein, all the rich marrow in the bones, natural fats. I am excited. So we're gonna let this cool down a little bit. I'm gonna strain it all out and start, you know, prepping it. But there it is, guys. Looking good, looking good. Oh yeah. All right, finished product, guys. There it is. We got the rice ready to go. Look at those bones, bro. Nice and clean. Yeah. Got that marrow in there. So this is what we're doing. This is concludes the meal prep. Well, no, not really, because we'll have to sort it out tomorrow. But for the most part, here's the meat. It's cooked and it's ready to go.